So, the minute a community member does something on Docupedia, whether it's an active contributor who has some serious contribution or just starting a discussion or posting a comment, a dedicated community moderator instantly receives a notification. So the community moderator does the initial review, and if anything is obviously inappropriate, it's immediately deleted. If it's not, the community moderator dispatches this contribution to the responsible author. The author then, based on his or her knowledge, decides whether this is a valuable contribution. If needed, the information developers, as we call them, may contact experts in the area at SAP or their developers or whoever, but we do everything we have to verify the contributions and make sure that only 100% accurate contributions are published. So, if the information developer decides that this is a valuable contribution, then he or she can implement it in the next release of the documentation. In addition to that, we have community managers who are experienced in community managing and of course can always help us if we have any controversial issues. Luckily, we haven't had such so far. And last but not least, we rely on the community to weed out any inappropriate content, if any, by commenting on it. So this was the process of Docupedia, this was what you could do, so let's sum up what are the benefits. For the users, I hope it's obvious. First, they get all the knowledge in one place. Second, they are finally allowed to collaborate on this information. They can benefit from others' experience, they can share their experience, get recognition in the community. They can reach us immediately. There is no need for any other feedback channels. We get whatever is posted there, we get it immediately. So this was for the user, but because we are all technical writers here, let us share what our benefits are. First of all, as I said, it's a wiki, obviously a very flexible and easy way of creating content. Everybody knows how to edit in a wiki editor. So you can make an update to your documentation anytime. And what's best about it is that it's instantly visible. So the readers can consume this change. You don't have to wait for the deadlines anymore. You don't have to wait for the central export or consider other release cycles or something. If you need to update your documentation, you just do it and people can see it right away. Apart from being an easy way to publish your documentation or change your documentation, we are now allowed to use other more interactive formats. So we can start a blog on an interesting topic on Docupedia, we can start a discussion if you want to ask something, or we can create a poll. These are all forms that are very helpful to get in contact with our readers. All this obviously brings us a step closer to our readers. We no longer offer just static information. We encourage people to collaborate on it. This means we get people's input, then we can use it to increase the effectiveness of our documentation. Hopefully this will result in total cost of understanding, and the goal of all of us is higher customer satisfaction, so we hope we will work towards this goal with Docupedia. I don't know if you have similar experiences in your companies, but if you do, we'll be happy if you share your experience with us. You can always reach us, and you can reach us directly on Docupedia, obviously, or you can contact via email. So thank you very much. If you have any questions, if you're not too tired or hungry, if you are, you can reach us at our emails, which I believe will be sent to you. Thank you, and thanks for staying till this late hour.